Alright, today I'm going to be talking about how to make a modified pellet for a pellet. Alright, you see it? Alright, those kind of pellets. Let me get my gun. I will be a second. For my Ruger Airhawk rifle, break barrel, okay? Pretty good. I like this gun. Alright, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking BBs. Alright, get the steel BBs. Doesn't matter how much you got. I mean, if you got a lot, it works best if you have the .177 caliber pellets. Okay, works with these the most. Alright, first of all, take a pellet and then you take some BBs. Okay, get a couple BBs out and take your BB. Alright, see if you can see that. Alright, you got your BB right here and your pellet right here. You take it and you stick it in the skirt of the pellet. Then you push down as hard as you can till we get that right there. And then you have a very fine little BB. And what this does right here is when you have it in the gun, it shoots out about 5 times faster, 5 times better. The pellet will penetrate whatever you're shooting at, and the BB, since it's a steel BB, and these are what are these? I don't know. It's lead. Since these are lead, the pellet will break through, probably go off course, and the BB will follow behind it and kill it some more. It would destroy your target even more. And that is how you do it.